Hey boys and girls, we're going to do another direct drawing for what sound, what sound, what sound, how do I write P? We're going to do a pig. So I'm going to go ahead and get my marker ready. And we're going to start at the top in the middle here and do a circle for his head. And then I'm going to come right behind him and do a little bit more of an oval, a bigger oval for his body. Go ahead and do that now. A circle for his head, a little bit bigger oval for his body. All right, once you've done that, we're going to do his ears, 2 triangles at the top for his ears, and a smaller one inside. Ooh, let me try that one again. Okay. Go ahead and do his triangle ears. And then we're going to do his face. So I'm going to do 2 dots for his eyes. Then I'm going to do a circle, or an oval, more so, for his nose. And inside that, I'm going to do 2, ooh, those weren't my best. Let's try that again. There we go. 2 dots inside. There we go. For his nose. And a little line underneath there for his smile. Or maybe trying to show his chin. Can't quite tell. Alright, so go ahead and do his face. So you've done his head, his body, his ears. Now you're doing 2 eyes, 2 dots for his eyes. Do an oval for his nose, and then inside the oval, do 2 dots for his nostrils. And then a little line underneath it for either a smile or his chin. I can't quite tell. We can call it whatever. Alright, next we're going to do his 4 legs. Alright, we're going to do his legs next. He's got some short legs. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Go ahead and do his legs there. Pigs have kind of short legs. Alright, and then I'm going to do like a little M at the bottom of each for his little toenails here. Little hoofs. Part of his hoofs. Looking like toenails. Alright, and the last thing I need to do is give him a curly cute tail. So go ahead and give him a curly cute tail. Alright, then I'm going to come in and it's showing that he has some spots on him. So I'm just going to do some round spots on his body. So you can do that too. You can kind of put them wherever on his body you want. He's got some brown spots going on his body here. Okay. Then his nose, they want it to be brown. It's going to be a little tricky. Okay. Now I'm going to come back and fix his dots a little bit there. Fix those a little bit. There we go. Alright. They want the inside small triangles to be brown. And then his toenails are going to be black. Ooh, this is real tricky to do on the computer, guys. Alright, what sound? P. What sound? P. What sound? P. How do I write P? Pig. Alright, and the rest of his body is going to be pink for the pink pig. Alright, let's try to think of some other things that start like P while we're coloring. So what else starts like P? I can think of pumpkin. Another thing that popped into my head first was pineapple, prince, princess, puppy, pirate. What can you think of that starts like p, p? What sound? P. What sound? P. What sound? P. How do we write p? Let's see, what else can I think of? Purple, pink. I'll start with p. Pretty, the word pretty starts with p. Nope, I forgot to write the word. I gotta go back and write pig. Miss Norad forgot. You know Miss Norad forgets a lot. I need your help. What sound? P. What sound? P. What sound? P. How do I write p? P. All right, I'm going to get his leg. Oh, peach. That's another fruit that starts like p. Peach. Peaches in Georgia, where we live in Georgia, we are known for growing really good peaches. So Georgia's actually, did you know that our state, Georgia, has a nickname? And its nickname is the Peach State because we grow lots of peaches and they're really, really good. So peaches starts with P, and it's something that's very important to our state. All right, I'm going to try my best to color his face in. What else have you thought of that starts like P that I didn't think of? I bet you can come up with some more things. Ooh, penny. A penny starts with P. Penny. Penny, the coin, that copper coin, or Penny could be a girl's name. Peter, Paul, those are names. Penelope. Oh, Peppa Pig. Peppa Pig, y'all know about Peppa Pig. Peppa Pig, because Peppa is the name. And Pig. We know Pig because we're doing Pig right now, right? Almost done. Alright. I'm going to have to fix his mouth, chin, whatever that is. I colored over it. Alright, there we go. Alright, so even if you're not done coloring, let's go ahead and stop for a minute and we're going to do pig. We're going to write pig. What sound? P. What sound? P. What sound? P. How do I write P? P. Alright, and you are learning how to make a capital P this week. So P, big line down, frog jump ribbit, little curve to the middle. P, I. What letter says I? I. Good. I'm going to make a little line down, leave some space, give it a dot. P, I, G. What letter makes a G sound? Do you remember? G. All right, G's kind of tricky to write. You're going to make the letter C, close it up, come down, and curve around. Okay, pig, P-I-G. Good job, boys and girls. Can't wait to see your pictures.